What's up, YouTube? It's me, NG, the Neon X, and I'm back. Today is an exciting day. It's always an exciting day when something new comes in to the table. This here is another device I've been waiting for a few months now. Came in, and I have decided to share it with you before I even share it with myself. Let's see exactly what it is with this quick unboxing. And here we have it, people. Microsoft Surface Buds. Ta-da! Now, if you watch my post and my videos, you know the only thing I might like more than phones are headphones, and I've been waiting for these since their announcement. Was it last year they were announced? Last fall, I think it might have been. These with the Surface the Surface headphones too. So here we have with the box, you got the picture of them, you know, your barcodes, various information at the back. They work with Windows 10, iPhone, and Android. Obviously, there's not that many more operating systems for the public than that. Now let's quickly open it up. And here we have the case. If you can see it here, everyone's ear is as unique as their fingerprint, which is very true. Not all earbuds fit the same, hence all the different tips. And would you look at that? The case, it's actually pretty smooth and small. It has a very distinct pill shape to it, with a very smooth feel. Let me take off this little wrapper. Wow, that's nice. Well, before we look at these, just quickly take a look at this. What's in the box? It says "Find your fit." So I'd assume this is where you'd find your charger and the different ear pieces and such. Oh, that's actually packaged really nice. This is, this might be, there you go. Your instruction manual, scan to get set up. So I guess this would take you to the app. It says to push in and twist for the best size, and the various control options with each touch. Double tap, touch to hold, swipe up, swipe down, swipe forward, swipe back. And then the case has the Bluetooth connection, and that's pretty much it for the directions. In the box itself, you have a USB-C cable, 4 extra tips, and these tips are significantly bigger than all the tips. That's actually pretty good. And you have, I assume, more paperwork. Your booklet, I guess this is the hardware warranty. All right. This is pretty much the same thing that was on that other flap there, so I'm not sure why they required it twice. Maybe a last minute decision in the packaging. You know, most people don't read through the booklet, so they decide to put it somewhere where you'd have to take a quick glance at it. Smart guys they are. All right, people, and now the moment we've all been waiting for. The buds. That looks really nice in there. I must say, this is the most unique pair of buds I've ever seen. How do these come out now? Oh, wow, that's actually pretty big. These little discs. So from what I've read, these little discs up top are your controls, your touchpad, and I have to say, compared to something like, say, the Galaxy Buds or the Sennheiser Momentum wireless buds. This is a much bigger interface. I kind of like the way these look. So you have these two plates up top, your right and your left, and that's where they go into the ear themselves. That's it. No buttons, no dials, just smooth, unique look and finish. The case itself, it magnetized with the flap and the internals. You have a button at the bottom. I guess it looks like a button. You have a button there. If that's to pair, and at the back, USB-C connection. Let's see now. They just back handle just fit in there. I guess. And yep, it is a magnet, and it grabs them in. You charge up, and you're good to go. I must say this might be the most unique earbuds I've seen to date. Let me hook these guys up. We'll check out the app and see how it works out. Surface Buds. Let's see how to connect these bad boys to the fold. There's an app that you gotta get, which I took the privilege of already downloading. Let's try to connect it. Connect. Use location. Okay. Only while you. So many things you need to agree to. Privacy and such. Open the case to get the earbuds. I got that. Case is open. Earbuds are out. Oh. Back in the case. Okay. Press and hold for 5 seconds. Okay. Gonna hold the button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Took a bit longer than 5. Tap to earbud will be tied to. Oh, okay. It said it's connected to my phone. That was very easy. Not as easy as, say, Samsung's Galaxy Buds. But it works. Let's see what we have. Find your fit, which I did. The same video plays here. Only here, they have the words at the bottom. Okay, skip. Okay. One has 97%, one has 99%. Surface Earbuds, and here is the app for Android. I have all of your tutorials, touch and gestures. Oh, but it doesn't have the ones for the Surface headphones, nor do I think it has the stuff for Office. So with this, it really is just a music experience, not the productivity experience. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing else here. Touch gestures, no equalizer, nothing along those lines. Oh wait, no, here it is. Paired devices, equalizer, device controls, personalization, update firmware, tutorials, help, tips, factory research, remove this device. So it's a pretty bare bones app or audio app with the Surface Earbuds. Let's see, anything of interest. Personalization. Device, you can change the name. Sure, let's do that. Or can I do no more than that, huh? Okay, fine. I'm not going to argue with you, WHATIMINX Surface Buds. Okay, that's fine. Saved. That's about as personalized as you can get. I didn't really expect much. I did the update via my original Surface Pro, so they should be good on updates. The equalizer, same thing. You get flat, classical, jazz, pop, rock. Let's just see how they sound. Well, you won't be able to hear it. Well, so far, Surface Earbuds. They don't sound bad. They don't sound great. My Sennheiser sound better, but you know, these really can't be beat, regardless of what some people might say. I have the Sony noise canceling, whatever. They don't sound nearly as good as these, but you know, to each their own. So this is NG, the WHATIMINX, and the Surface Earbuds. This is what I'm into.